mga day, pupunta kami sa Thai temple. Laag-laag kami ni Mr. while hindi pa ako nakapagsimula magtrabaho. Sabi ni Mr. ba, nung time nga na-approve, na-hired ako kaagad, sabi niya, wow, you're amazing, my love, you're so lucky. Right, my love? Your reaction before when I got hired right away, what is your reaction?
Happy.
Happy. You said, wow, you're lucky,
Amazed.
my love. Yeah. Because before, how long does it take to get work? 6 months before you
Well,
get
it just
work?
depends on the person. It could take
To
6
get-
months to a year. I mean,
6
not
months.
that long, but
Nung sinabi ko sa mama ko, ma, na-hired ba ako dito sa trabaho, ma? Usar ka, day. Isang araw lang, na-hired agad ako. Sabi niya, oh, lucky ka talaga, day. Yung anong tawag nito sa Tagalog? Aom man ito sa Bisaya. Yung aom talaga ang nagdala mo ng lucky mo, day. Sabi ko, baka dahil lang yun sa experience at saka kakailanganin nila ng, trabahante ba? Kaya na-hired agad ako. I'm so happy talaga kasi nakuha ko yung gusto kong posisyon ba nga in-applyan ko. And ngayon, wala na kaming problema sa paghanap-hanap ng trabaho kasi na-hired na. I'm so happy! May na lang, makasahod ako. Sayang naman ang opportunity. Nandito ako sa US, gagamitin ko yung opportunity ko. Pagsamantalahan natin kasi opportunity na ito. Meron na akong green card, merong work authorization card. Allowed naman ako magtrabaho dito. Why not nga magtrabaho tayo? Magpayong tayo kay init. Parang ako lang ang nagpayong dito. My love. Yaan ako. Ito ang forma niya mga day. Para lang siyang food camp sa atin. Mga street food ba?
If you buy and then you spend less, change your money back.
you get your money back.
Yes.
Ito ang forma niya mga day ay. Para lang siya food court ba sa atin.
Down or continue here.
Continue here and then go back.
Why don't we start at the top?
Okay. Mag-start kami dito sa from the top.
See, that guy had Thai iced tea.
Yeah. Meron din silang live band oh. Parang pareho sa atin ba?
There's food
Sa food
there.
camp. Yeah. Parang ako lang ang nagpapayong dito. What do you want? Lumpia? My love?
I don't know, just keep
Just keep look around.
pork noodle.
Yeah. Let's look around first. Chicken. No.
Chicken with gravy.
Yeah. Yummy. What is this?
Coconut pancake. This
Coconut pancake?
Cassava?
You wanna try?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Thank
We're just
you.
looking right now.
Wow. Sabon.
Curry chicken.
Mga bar soap.
This is pancake sauce.
Ah, nice. Amazing. Yeah.
It's all this size, but we stuff it in here.
Parang giniling.
Masaman curry chicken. Wanna take a bite?
No, it's okay. We're just
Okay.
looking right now. We've never been
Yeah.
here before. We're just
Wow, chicken curry. Ang sarap. Nagtingin-tingin muna kami kasi first time namin dito. Ayan, ang pagkainan nila. Cottage. Parang nga sa beach. Looks tasty, my love. The chicken. Barbecue. Para din siyang Pinoy. Ay, mga Filipino food. They have sukiyaki, my love.
so you have to go. This is see where other people are buying.
Yeah. They have a line, my love.
No, just looking. Come here. There's your different fried rice.
Yeah.
Noodle or rice?
Rice.
Rice?
Yeah. I wanna get the barbecue too, my love.
Okay, this will get it the barbecue then.
Yeah.
Why
I
don't we
miss
get
barbecue.
The one with the end with the rice,
With the soup, noodles.
the boat one at the beginning.
It's up to you, my love.
It's up to you,
Whatever
man.
you like.
I don't know, whatever you like.
I like barbecue and soup.
What soup?
The first one.
Okay.
And
Okay, get
you
it
said
then.
you like the sukiyaki.
No, I don't care about it. I just want to try some this food here.
Okay. This one, barbecue. Hello.
The pork, the barbecue pork.
Here? Where? Here?
How much is this? Okay, or do they cook it later or not? Or is it?
It's already cooked.
So hot? That's already
Bili kami ng barbecue.
Is it already hot?
Okay, thank you. Barbecue and soup.
Okay, get the soup then.
I want this one too, my love.
I don't know.
Fried chicken. One fried chicken.
They don't have one.
Gusto ko din itong fried chicken ay.
This one,
Yeah.
dollar per piece.
$1 per piece. $1 per piece.
Okay, how many? One?
Yeah, just one.
One piece.
If you like, my love, you like? You can get
One two piece. Two.
Yeah.
Which one?
Wings.
Wing. That one. That's too small. Oh, yeah. I'll just get that one. That piece. This one. Yeah. For me. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Punta kami doon ay sa soup, noodle soup. Kasi gusto ko din mag-soup. Whatever you like, my love.
Just looking what this is.
Chicken with gravy.
Let's just get to the end.
Bili din kami dito ng soup. Oh, noodle. Spicy Thai boat noodle.
We'll
What
get
do you
that
like?
one, right?
Yeah. Anything. Anything with
I'll
soup.
just get that one.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, do you sell rice? Just rice, white rice?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Okay.
So we will get one.
This
One,
is
my
for
love, or
you.
two?
Let me see how much. That's enough for you.
How about you?
I don't need it.
Here, my love.
Here's your rice. Here's your soup.
Ito ang in-order namin soup. Thai boat spicy. Rice. Chicken barbecue. Ay, pork barbecue di ay. And
Chicken.
fried chicken.
Okay,
Let's eat. We have a lot of spoon. Here. I will put your rice here or mine
Okay,
here.
whatever. There, that's yours. Tasty.
Tasty. Mag-split kami ng rice ni Batum. My love, I want more rice.
Yeah, you have the whole thing.
Huh? You don't want?
No.
I'll just give you rice, my love. Here,
Okay.
rice.
You can have more if you want. This is hard to do.
Napkin.
The soup is really good.
How about the pork? Is it good?
Everything's good.
Chicken. Here, your chicken. Tasty. Sarap.
Eat the soup, my love.
Okay.
That's what you want. Bring the soup to you.
Ang sarap ng pork nila. You like it? My love? Huh? Your chicken. Eat your chicken.
It's better than eating at the restaurant.
Yeah. It's too spicy, right?
Yeah.
Tapos na kaming kumain, mga Joy. Busog na busog kami. Are you full, my love?
Yeah.
It's very good deal, right?
Yeah.
Ang good deal niya, mga Joy, kasi ang mura lang niya. Tapos ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Ay, my love, there's no people. Maybe they're tired of seeing that black guy. Palagi na lang kasing yung African ba nga, yung black American ba yun? Negro, nagwawali. Palagi siya na lang. Baka na pulan ang mga tao sa kanya kasi hindi masabtan ang kanya in English. Very slang. Hindi maintindihan ang in English niya. Maybe the people is in the beach because the weather is
Yeah, they're busy.
hot. Ready. Nakakalungkot, walang mga tao dito sa simbahan. Ang unti lang ng tao. Ang hawan, walang tao mga day. What time is it? Is it almost 5? Huh?
How about there?
Yeah. Baka ang mga tao ngayon ba nakapi-happy sa beach ngayon. Yan walang tao. Ang unti lang ng tao. I-turn off ko na tong phone ko kasi magdasal muna tayo dito. Laluhod tayo dito ay. Hello, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kaming mag-attend ng church mass. 5 p.m. church mass, right? My love, we'll go home now.
Yeah.
Kanina ay after namin doon sa Thai food, Thai area ay umuwi lang kami diretso. Tapos nagpahinga ng kaunti. Tapos lumabas agad para pumunta sa simbahan. Kasi Sunday baya ngayon. Kailangan natin magsimba palagi. Kada Sunday. It's our routine. It's our life routine. Dami. What, I love? Life routine.
Life routine.
It's our routine every
It's
Sunday.
our routine. Our Sunday routine.
Yeah, it's our Sunday routine. Every Sunday we'll go to church.
Not every Sunday.
Sometime, because you have a reason sometime that we cannot go. Sometime we're gonna say, my love, I'm tired. I'm sick.
It's not our every. It's our routine. If we go to church on Sunday, this is our routine.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I said.
Yeah, you go to church, you go home.
Yeah. Happy Sunday, everybody! Hello mga day, nandito ako sa kusina kasi kumakain ako ng ice cream. Si Batom ay nandoon sa sala, nanonood ng TV. Dito ako mag-shoutout kasi ang banha ni Batom doon. Shoutout kay Ma'am Mary Ann Varias. Shoutout kay Ma'am Elisa Laborte. Shoutout kay Ma'am Milagros Udins and sa kanyang mga anak nga galing sa Zamboanga, si Ma'am Oriza May, Ma'am Marfaida Udin at sa lahat ng family ni Ma'am Milagros Udin at sa family ng kanyang ex-husband. Shoutout kay Ma'am Stacy from Aklan. Shoutout kay Ma'am Noy and Cory from Bay Area, California. Shoutout kay Ma'am Arlene Mavite from Montana, USA. Shoutout kay Ma'am Alma Largo. Shoutout kay Ma'am Bernardo Joson and sa kanyang anak nga nagtatrabaho sa MEPSA, Lapu-Lapu City. Shoutout kay Ma'am Mr. Hello BG from Aklan. Shoutout kay Ma'am Jennifer Lampa. Shoutout kay Ma'am Chona Del Mundo and sa kanyang daughter nga si Precious L. Del Mundo and happy 23rd birthday ni Ma'am Precious. Ang wish ko sa iyo Ma'am Precious is stay healthy and more blessings to come. And that's it for today's vlog mga Day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye!